So I'll just go in with that. Hey guys, welcome back, welcome back. I know I have not posted in about maybe like a week and a half, maybe like 2 weeks, but I am back. I am back with a new video. If you have not subscribed or hit that bell, please do. The link to our previous video is inside the description box. Check that out. But today I'm coming to you with a Mother's Day get ready type of glam look, and I'm going to be using all of SheGlam's products. I recently got this all-purpose beauty blender brush in the mail from SheGlam, and I wanted to try it out. So with this sponge you should be able to do your whole face with just only using this sponge. So we're going to use all of SheGlam's products. If you have never used SheGlam before, it is SHEIN's, or however you say the word, affordable makeup line. I say affordable because everything that's in our line is affordable. So we're going to jump right into this video, and I'm going to be using all of SheGlam's products. So I'm even going to be using their lash. I got this huge lash palette from them, and I've used quite a few of them, so the lashes are very durable. I like their lashes. Normally I only wear my own brand of lashes, but lately I've been wearing SHEIN's lashes. Shame on me, but I like SHEIN's lashes. So we're gonna jump right into this video, and we're gonna do like an easy get ready with me type of Mother's Day glam. Mother's Day is like right around the corner, and I know every mom want to look good on Mother's Day on a budget. Alright, so for the eyebrows, I'm going to use my favorite go-to, that's SheGlam's eyebrow pomade. I use this every single day to do my eyebrows. If I'm not using this, I'm just using a brown pencil. Where's my phone? I don't know. So you can get any type of pomade from the drugstore. If you can't find a pomade or eyebrow powder at a drugstore, you can use a pencil to fill in your eyebrows. So I just like to go over my natural brow and just outline it, as you can see there. Alright, so once you get your eyebrows to this point, you're just going to use a spoolie and you're just going to brush them out. But for the concealer, I'm going to be using SheGlam's full coverage concealer in honeycomb. So I got that on the eyes. Also going to put it on the top of my eyebrows to shape that out. Then we're going to take the eyebrow brush and go down the middle just to get any of that pencil or pomade evenly lined. And then sometimes I go in and then brush outward like that. I'm going to use SheGlam's Stay Wild eyeshadow palette for the eyes. This is a very pigmented palette. So I'm going to be using whatever that's this brown color and drawn this like pinky peach color. So I'm going to first go in with the darker color on the outside, and like I said, this is going to be just something really quick that you can do for Mother's Day. Alright, so that's the base of the eyeshadow. I'm going to go back in with the concealer, outlining the area where I'm going to put the pink at. And I'm going to try to get that line as straight as I can. Alright, so I'm going to just do the same thing on the other side. You can use any products that you have. Like I said, I'm just using SheGlam's products because I wanted to try out this sponge. And I'm like, why not use all of SheGlam's products to apply this makeup look? Get the excess eyeshadow off that may have fell down. So we're going to be trying out this sponge. So here's the sponge. The Beauty Blender has directions to which angle is best to use to apply which product. So the bottom one is saying that you can shape your eyebrows with it. I didn't want to use this to shape my eyebrows because I never use a Beauty Blender to shape my eyebrows, so that's why I just use my concealer brush. They say for contour and baking, these two sides right here. They say for hard to reach areas, this one right here. For highlighter and blush right here, and then the top is the contour stick. So I'm going to go in with the SheGlam Complexion Pro Long Lasting Foundation in the color Cappuccino. Applying it. I don't like how this is working at all. So I'm going to go in with a foundation brush to blend this out because I don't like how that's working. I might have to add the concealer with it because it was like a little bit too light, but right now it's giving me the coverage that I wanted to give. So I'm going in with the same concealer that I used on my eyebrows just to highlight my under eye. And I'm not going in and I'm not doing contouring and all of that because I feel like you don't always need to contour your nose and highlight. And I already have a strong nose anyway, and I'm comfortable with my nose, so I'm just using whatever that's on the Beauty Blender just to highlight my T-zone. Alright, but I'm going to go in with the Beauty Blender to set my under eyes. Alright, so I'm just gonna let that sit. When I say that this setting powder is like the best, I recommend everyone to try their setting powder. When I say that it sets your makeup, it sets your makeup. Alright, so for the lips, I'm going to go in. I don't have any liner. I don't have a liner right now at this table. Oh, yes, I do. Also, for the lips, I'm just going to line it with this pencil from SheGlam. It's actually an eyebrow pencil. This is all that I have right now, so this is what I'm going to use. Then I'm going to go in with my favorite SheGlam lipstick. This is actually my third one. When I said I love this one, I really love this lipstick. This one is a go-to. It is Liquid Matte Shallow Coral. If you've watched my SheGlam videos or even any of my makeup videos, you have saw me use this one. So I'm just going to go in because it matches my bottom lip. Like, it's the perfect color for my natural lip, because my top lip is darker than my bottom lip. It is what it is. That's my genetics. So I'll just go in with that. Alright, so for the lashes, I'm going to double them up because these lashes are cute when you double them up. So I'm going to go in with this like flare one right here, and then the one that's on the other side. Alright, so I got both lashes on. I'm going to brush away this powder. Just to set that look. I want to say happy Mother's Day to all the mommies out there. Mother's Day is the day that you are celebrated. If no one celebrates you, you celebrate yourself. Do something with yourself. Try this makeup look for yourself. So until next time, we're going to see you guys later. Peace. Happy Mother's Day.